this lesson, I will guide you how to choose number time frame based on your logic goals. So, the first of all, here is the second factors to choose your number time frame while you are trading in the markets. You are the simple person or the logical person. And what is a simple person and logical person? You are a simple person, it means that you only can explain the simple things to have the results in the market. And if you are the complicated or the logical person, it means that you can connect the complicated things to have the results. And the final target at this time is a result in the market. Therefore, I will guide you how to choose number time frame based on the factors. To know about you are the simple person or the logical person, you need to understand one more thing. You're mostly using left brain or the right brain, because if you are the left brain person, it means that you mostly is a logical person. If you are the right brain, normally use right brain, it means that you are the emotional person. You can understand like you mostly be impacted by the emotion while you are trading in the markets. And you are the logical person, you can explain very complicated things, and you are also is a calm person. And at this time, to know you are the left brain or the right brain, you can go to the brain test by using this link to understand about your kind of person. And here is the results I already test for myself. For me, 72% is the left brain and 28% I using is the right brain. It means that at this time I is a logical person. I normally trade with the 2 to 3 time frames. And if you don't want to go into this link to test, you can take a quick questions over here to test what happens if you lose 10 trades continuously in a day and got a 9 chance to entry. And your rules at this time only maximize is 10 trades per day. And the first answer is that you can double the lot size to entry. And the second one is continue entry as before or reduce the lot size. The third one is take a rest. And the last one is try to find more the chance to get it back. It means that get all the money you already lose. And here is the result. If you are choosing the A and D result, it means that you are the right brain person. If you choose the B and C, it means that you are the left brain person. And at this time, after you also understand you are the left brain or right brain, it means that you also can know you are the simple person or the emotional person. This time, I will guide you how to choose number time frame in the market. For the left brain, it means that the logical person, you can explain or you can solve all the simple or the complicated things. Therefore, at this time, you can trade from the 1 to 6 time frames combined together based on your trading style also. And you are the right brain, it means that you can be affected by the emotional a lot. And at this time, you only can explain or solve the simple questions or simple things. Therefore, at this time, you only need to trade using from the 1 to 3 time frames, also combined with your trading style on the last lessons. You need to remember one more thing. Don't try to explain complicated things because it can make you uncontrolled emotional and lose money. And here is the most reason. Most traders don't know how to choose their trading style and number of the time frame before they come into the main strategies like Ichimoku, like key level, like smart money concept. Therefore, even they have the really nice strategies to entry take profits in the market, but they still lose money because they don't understand their self. Therefore, they lose money. You try to understand the market, but you are the market because you enroll in the market, join into the market to trade. That's all about the video today. Thank you.